So, when menstruation starts, na, the only problem it will come is calculation. Okay, I'm very clearly saying when you start calculation, you will come to know कि है ऐसे बनेगा, that will happen and this way it will happen. But when it will be the time of calculation, na, then you will start thinking कि हमसे तो calculation ही नहीं हो रहा है. No, if like if there is like agar aap CBSE pattern follow, so you can draw the diagram, you can put the formulas, you can do something, right? So at least if you are doing that, you can get numbers. Okay, so if you are stuck in like calculation, don't mind that. Okay, calculation se problem nahi hai. Problem is like if you are not learning the concept, then is the problem. Now on your camera. Hello Shriyans, kaise ho? On your camera. Hello Adit, on your camera. Misita, Athirat, on your camera. All of you can on. So now I'm giving you a question. Okay. So let us start. Okay. So as you know, we are taking regular sessions and everything is getting recorded and it will be uploaded on Prakash Soni Oda class. And and if you are comfortable in Hindi, you can check this channel, E-Shiksha Kendra. For like if you can search me on social media with Prakash KR Soni on Instagram. And moreover, if we are talking about currently, this one is the second class, right? Yesterday was the first class of this chapter. So area related to circle. So all of you know the area of circle is pi r square. The perimeter, that is length of the boundary, is 2 pi r. At least you know these things. Yesterday we have added two things. One is length of arc. For suppose here is a center of the circle. So if I want to find this length will be what? If angle is theta, then
360 into 2 pi r.
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. 2 pi r, because see, this arc is actually part of perimeter. So perimeter should be here now. Now if I talk about if this angle is theta, if I talk about this area is called
area of sector.
This is sector, right? So it is related to area. So if the angle is theta, so formula will be theta by 360 into
pi r square.
Right? So now come to the next point. All of you start a question. Okay, we can directly now. This one is very enough. Like you can start the chapter. Okay. So Tanvi, you are here. Tanvi.
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to see you. Fine, Tanvi. So start with the question. So all of you, I'm giving you a question to try this question. Okay. This one is from your homework question of yesterday only. The ratio of circumference. This one is question number 2. The ratio of circumference. And first let me know that who has not started the chapter. Okay. Of two circles is 2:3. Is 2:3. What is the ratio of area? What is the ratio of area? Anyone can come in front and let others also know. Who can come forward? Ratio of circumference is given.
Sir, we will write 2 pi r by 2 pi capital R equals to 2 by 3.
So we have two circles, right? So
Yes.
one circle, for suppose this one has a radius of r and this one has a radius of capital R, okay? Right? So question is like ratio of circumference. Right now, Shruti? Ratio of circumference. So here the circumference will be 2 pi r and here the circumference will be 2 pi capital R, right? समझ में आ रहा है? Anyone have problem? यहाँ तक अर्शिया, all of you can on your camera ना, we can talk, right? बात कर सकते हो ना? अक्षत? Why so much silent, Mr. अक्षत? अभी आपका ना क्रिकेट खेलना बंद कर देंगे, ठीक है? So now
सर
ratio,
करता हूँ, ऑन करता हूँ कैम ऑन।
हाँ, है ना, सोचना पड़ता है ना। पंडित जी को आपको बुलाएंगे, ठीक है ना, आपका मुहूर्त निकलेगा तब आप कैमरा ऑन करिए, राइट।
नहीं सर,
सो
करता हूँ भैया।
हाँ, सो रेशियो ऑफ सर्कमफेरेंस ना, रेशियो ऑफ सर्कमफेरेंस, सो 2 pi r divided by 2 pi r, this is the ratio, the ratio of the circumference of two circle, question is telling that it is 2/3. यहाँ तक किसी को प्रॉब्लम? Here is one circle with 2 pi r, here is circle with 2 pi r. Anyone have problem? Let me know. अभी भी problem है, बोलो. If you are not able,
No, sir.
No,
fine ना. Chaya, you are here. Chaya. So now see, this 2 by 2 getting cancelled, pi got cancelled. So r by r equal to what? 2/3. EGPG up to this. Up to this it is okay.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सब बोलते ही नहीं है ना, एनर्जी है ही नहीं, खाना like you are not eating, right, since 2-3 days, है ना. Now what is the ratio of areas? Question is ratio of areas. So this circle will have the area of
pi r square.
pi r square, right? Ratio divided by what is the area of this one?
Pi capital R square.
Pi capital R square. So can we so we have to find this ratio. Okay, so now I can cancel, Akshat, can I cancel this pi? Can I cancel this
Yes,
pi?
sir.
So ratio of the areas, that is pi r square by pi r square, can be written as r square by r square,
Yes, sir.
or it can be written as r by r ka whole square.
Yes, sir.
And you know r by r is 2/3, right? So I can put here 2/3 whole square, right? So what will be the answer?
4/9 or 4:9.
4/9. Okay, we can do this question. Easy peasy,
Yes,
burger
sir.
cheesy only.
Yes, sir.
let me कौन साइलेंट बैठा है? शौरवीर, समझ में आ गया है?
यस सर, इजी है.
हाँ, इजी पीजी बर्गर चीजी, और कुछ नहीं, ठीक है. और लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, you have come to home, sure.
यस सर.
Question number 3. The copper wire, there is a wire, okay, there is a wire which when bent in the form of a square, it closes an area of 484. Who have tried this question number 3? This one is question number 3. So we have a wire, okay. Tavisha, na? Tavisha,
Yes, sir.
Tavisha, this one is wire, right? So now,
Yes, sir.
if I want to like bend this one, हाँ, इसको मोड़ना चाहते हैं, right? किस shape में मोड़ना
Yes, sir.
चाहते हैं? I want to bend in the form of
Square.
square. So Abhika, what we can do? Abhika, come in front. Abhika, where is Abhika? हाँ, Abhika, this one is for suppose there is some wire, okay? I need some page. There is some wire, okay? Abhika, on your audio. ठीक है, एक वायर है. I'm taking the wire. Abhika, see this one is wire, right? ठीक है ना. तो इस वायर को क्या करना है, किस शेप में बदलना है?
Circle.
Square. You want to convert
Square.
into square, ठीक है. This one is wire, ठीक है. So you will do what? पहले इसको आप, ये जो लेंथ है, ये लेंथ है, वो तो चेंज नहीं होगा ना. This length is not going to change, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you will do, you will bend from here, यहाँ से bend करेंगे, then you will bend it from here, then you will bend it from here, then मतलब बोलना क्या चाहते हैं, you are understanding कि you will start bending
Yes.
this one, right? This one you can
Yes,
see
sir.
I had like this one is a wire. If this one is a wire, I can bend this into the form of circle, right? I can convert into the shape of square, right now. But the length will be same. Length तो same ही रहेगा ना. Getting my point? So okay, I had take my wire. So there is a wire which I have to, which is of which length? The length is given, Tavisha. What is the length? What is the length in the question? Question number 3 of the
Area
homework.
is given. Area covered by
Okay,
square.
okay, fine,
is
fine.
given.
So this
Area.
wire is bent from here. So I start bending this one and I convert it into the shape of square. Okay, this one is A point, this one is B point. So I started with like मैंने इसको bend किया यहाँ से, then यहाँ से, and then यहाँ से. It will become like this shape, है ना? I am bending at 90 degree. यहाँ से 90 degree bend किया, है ना? This will form. This is point B. Then I bend from here. So this one is the point C. And I bend from here, for suppose it is D. So again, I bend here from 90 degree. So this whole wire will get a shape of
Square.
square. And now,
Square.
so in your question, it is written, this square has an area of,
484 centimeters
area
square.
has,
484
so
centimeters
if
square.
the area is 484, can we calculate one side length of this square?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How?
Side scale. Area of
Square is
square equals to
484.
side scale.
Area of a square is side square. So I can take any side, right? So
Yes, sir.
let this side be A. So all the length will be A only. So area equal to
Yes.
side square, that is A square. I know the area is 484 equal to A square. And now 484 is the square of
22.
44.
22.
22, sir.
22.
A equal to 22. So I come to know this length na, AD
Yes, sir.
22. So this length will also be 22. This length will also be
84.
22. And this
Yes,
length
sir.
will also be 22.
Yes.
This will
Yes,
become
sir.
88 total.
So and now as Mansi, mute your audio, actually some background is coming. So we can come to know that this perimeter is 22, 22, 22, 22. That is
88.
88. So this length, AB length will also be 88 because इसी वायर को ना bend करके इस फॉर्म में दिए हो.
Yes, sir.
तेजस्विनी, on your camera.
Yes.
Let me, आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं तेजस्विनी?
हाँ, सर.
पक्का ना? Why you are like अब
हाँ,
गायब
sir.
हो गए हो, right?
नहीं
बस-
सर, आप सिखा रहे तो मैंने
हाँ,
कुछ नहीं बोला.
हाँ, you are saving Jio data, right?
वाईफाई सर.
हाँ, so you have switched off your camera. I will send, है ना, that हाँ देखो मैंने है ना ऐसे ऐसे बोला है, पेरेंट्स को भेज देंगे तेजस्विनी कि हाँ ऐसा डाटा सेव कर रहे थे तेजस्विनी. So now this length, this wire length is what? 88. Now come to the next point. Now this wire, earlier I was bending this wire in the form of square. Now I want to bend this wire in the form of circle. Okay, in the form of circle. Now I come to the length of this. I know this length na is 88. Now I'll bend in the